Partner, Ari pagid ang next nga question kay we're talking about being beautiful. You know, when you want to maintain to being beautiful outside. Yeah, because we're talking about the beauty outside, no?
Mhm.
You know, having all this makeup, putting on makeups,
Mhm.
how to prepare your skin first and foremost. Then after that, there should be somebody who is
An
really
expert.
an expert.
Mm.
Okay. How expensive? Do ka namin no? Do ka
Mm.
ano kamahal ang mangin isa?
Magpagwapa.
Yeah, ang mangin isa ka beauty queen.
Does it cost
Makeup
you a
alone,
lot?
from makeup. Let's talk about makeup lang. You
For-
should be having siguro for the
Essentials.
makeup alone siguro partner. Is it true nga dapat may brand? Sa imo, for you.
For
Kaya
me, yes.
there are those nga persons who have sensitive skin.
Mhm.
Kag na mas nagabagay sa color mo. Okay, so what's your makeup preference?
Actually, MAC is really good.
Wow.
MAC is really good.
Wow, and it's expensive.
It's very
huh? Yeah,
expensive.
very expensive.
But if you're out of cash, and sometimes I'm out of cash, I just opt for Fanny Serrano or Fashion 21. They're almost the same.
Okay.
But then MAC, the
What's the difference? When you look at the pictures, you could really actually
Yes,
differentiate.
It's the matte finish. It's called the matte finish.
Okay.
Because
Have you
other
tried Revlon?
Revlon, it's good, but there's not so much variety. There's not so much of a selection for my skin color.
Okay.
That's
Because
why.
there's also this the photo ready.
The photo finish.
Yeah.
Yes. Uh-huh.
That's also matte, no?
Mhm.
Maybe, but not good for your skin type.
Maybe the Revlon here in the Philippines, but maybe Revlon outside
Yeah.
because their endorser is Halle Berry. So
Okay.
maybe they have for my skin type. But
Mhm.
what I do is I'm asking my brother to order for MAC because MAC can
Oh,
only
see?
be
It's really so expensive.
expensive. You have to,
Yeah.
it's either you go to Manila
So
or you order
meaning,
outside.
For a parent, of course, we have a lot of televiewers, mga parents who have these kids who would always tell us, Mommy, when I grow up, I really wanted to become the Miss Universe. Mahal gali.
Mahal. You really have to have the passion so that you can
Yes.
stay long in that industry.
Okay.
You have to love it. Hindi ka
Okay.
pilit ka lang.
Oh yes, sometimes let's talk about the we've done with the makeup nga dapat may mga ano ka. What about the lipstick? You
My
should
lipstick.
on stage. Kung on stage ka, what look good on you? Red kid parang the mga beauty
It
titles.
depends
parang
on the
red na-
it depends on
on
the
your-
theme, on your hair, on your eyes.
Yes. Mhm.
Ah,
It must be
okay.
balanced.
So meaning you can have a different lipstick while you're wearing your long gown.
Mhm.
You can have a different lipstick if you're on a swimsuit.
Yes.
Is that it?
That is supposed to be the
Okay. How about
way.
are you really doing that?
Yes, we're doing that. We have different hairstyles, different eyes.
So meaning retouch. You do a lot of retouch.
A lot of retouch, Gidya. After that, when you go home, you're like a train wreck. After you remove your makeup, you really have to go to a steam room so that all the toxins will go out.
Okay. You're only 19
Mhm.
and you have still a long way to go
A long
pa.
way to
Yeah.
go, yes.
And of course, subong very pa ang skin.
Mm,
Uh,
very young.
pa ang skin.
Mm.
Are you looking forward to seeing yourself nga at 80, you're still as beautiful as you
Of
are?
course not. I'm just realistically, of
Mhm.
course that will not happen. Even if you have all the stem cells injected,
Okay.
it would still be evident that you're 80.
Okay, what about that? Are you entertaining any possibility of being injected one time
With stem cell.
for you to maintain that stature nga, wow, the vital statistics should be always like this. Have it ever crossed your mind?
For
Mga injections para medyo diet slim lang ang or
maybe in the future.
maybe in the future.
As long as it doesn't have any side effects nga bongga gid
Aha.
basi heart failure na of course
Mhm.
kulbaan man ako.
Okay, who trained you when you become first hailed as the queen of Carosa Festival? Is it the same person until now ang ang imo nga masilingtan nga trainer?
I've only had one handler ever
Handler,
since.
yeah, one handler.
Mr. Dennis Maliada. He is in UAE right now. He's working there.
In the it really played
Of
a lot
course.
of factor na for you to become the miss or the beauty titleist, the queen
I'm
to
really indebted to Mr. Dennis Maliada. Because of him, I was able to look for a very good, talented designer, have my own makeup team,
Okay.
and I had a lot of connections.
Okay, for
because of him.
for example, for the dinagyang alone, how much would it cost Danny Maliada?
Sir
Ah,
Dennis.
sir, pila ang ibayad? Di ba, partner do ka namin siguro nga, I don't know if it's okay with you to talk about that, kung how much ang iano mo sa handler mo, or ang inyong, let's say, istoryahan na is whatever the, sa imo nga madagan mo, sa imo price, may ara gid siya yaya nga personal niya gid siya yaya nga ginasili nga amo ning akon talent fee, amo ning akon professional fee.
Actually, my handler is very kind. He doesn't have a fixed rate for me. But what we do is, of course,
Because of course,
we're sensitive.
being Miss Dinagyang is really a
Yes.
prestigious
Yes.
event. No? So meaning parang
But when Miss Dinagyang happened, he was not here already. He's just Skype, and he would
okay.
just
Wow. So meaning you'll have an online
online training.
online
Yes,
training.
yes.
Yeah, for you to be able to maintain everything.
Yes.
Nga from the Carosa and the Miss CPU to go on.
Yes.
To be able to make it on the Miss Dinagyang.
I guess ang iya nga phone bill tama nakadako kay every night he would call me. Ems, enough na nang imong jogging. Ems, drink this and sleep well. He would always remind me. He's like my second father na.
Wow. Okay. So pero how much?
For Carosa, I think we gave Sir Dennis like 20%
20% of the price.
of the price, and plus my brother also gave him something
As a token,
but
as a
he,
gift.
he,
Yeah.
he said, okay, never mind. But of course, for all the things that he spent, like sometimes he would even buy, because there was a time that my undergarment was not suited for my gown, so he would be the one to go to the store and buy my undergarment.
Wow.
Wow,
And he would
sweet.
not ask anything from us. I'm currently the vice president of CP Republic.
Okay.
So we
Is
have
it
a lot of
tough?
activities.
Is it a tough job or responsibility? Is
It's
it hard?
it's a big responsibility
Yes.
because our constituents were like 13,000 in CPU. But then I'm really blessed that the members of the parliament, the CPR officials, they're very smart, intelligent. So parang I don't have to oversee everything. They have initiatives, ganyan.
So you're not
Okay.
only a beauty queen, but she's a leader, right? Or
Yes,
an officer.
yes,
Wow,
yes,
she's
Yeah, because,
brilliant.
because,
How is Emily at home?
yeah.
Are you sporty much, or do you sing? Do you dance? What other
Yes, at
hobbies do you
home I
like?
sing very well
Yeah.
in my room.
You have
I dance
concerts
very
in
well.
your room?
Yes, in my room with my nieces and my niece and nephew as the audience who would
Okay.
really cheer as if they're watching Beyonce.
Yeah, okay.
So actually at home
You're
I'm
just a typical girl.
typical girl.
Yeah.
I'm not. My sister would even tell me, "Hey, don't. What are you wearing? Wear something presentable. Maybe may masulod di ka ron."
Yes,
Habang
yeah.
sila nga, ay, si Miss Dinag. I'm not really that kind of person. I wear loose fitting clothes.
But a beauty queen could also not be very beautiful.
But
Pwede.
yes, pwede again.
Oh, it's
Yes.
the other way around. Sang una iya partner, ang paglantaw tayo, ay kagwapa siya, do ka pang beauty queen.
Oo. Yes, that's it.
Oh,
Because
wow. It's another, you've let others see and understand the essence of being a beauty queen, di ba? On the other way around.
the other way around.
Yeah.
But nowadays, you can train your kid to be a beauty queen. Kumbaga, you can open her eyes to the pageantry as young as she is. And
Oh,
As time goes by, she could learn to like it.
Yes, partner. Balaan ko na ang gusto ihambal ni
No.
Miss Ems. You can also, of course, you can mention the talent maker. You're there.
Yes,
You're
yes,
there
talent
for the-
maker. You can teach your kid to love. Because there's nothing that you can't
because
love
there
about
are also
them.
kids, and there are also kids who doesn't like to be on stage.
Yes, it's normal.
But that's
Gigi.
trainable.
But they're beautiful.
Yes, it
And-
can still be developed.
Yeah.
It's a skill.
Okay, so this is one best way to tell our parents out there na for you, no? For all of those who wanted to see their kids, 'di ba, transform into a beauty
Beauty
queen later.
Yes.
You can enroll a talent maker. Miss Ems is there to help your kids project, talk like a beauty queen, walk like a beauty queen, dress up like a beauty. Is it part dressing up?
Of course, it really tells a lot about your personality.
Yeah, dressing up, walking on stage, how
Developing your personality first.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes the makeup also.
The makeup, yes.
Mhm.
Yes, the
So
makeup.
that's part of the package.
No, there's no makeup tutorial in Talent Maker.
Okay.
Because
So
we're
because they're just kids.
yes,
no?
because we're putting into consideration also the expense that the parents would have
Mhm.
if makeup would be taught, because they would have to have their own set.
Okay.
It would really cost much.
So what age?
I guess 15. 15 is enough.
You're not accepting partner. Talent maker is not accepting kids.
What age for makeup?
Oh yeah, and then what I mean for to be enrolled
in Talent Maker.
in talent maker, diba? You're there.
Even if you're 1 year old and you really want to
Yeah,
try, go.
Okay.
If you're
Okay.
that advanced,
Yeah.
why not?
Okay. How much, partner?
We have a promo like 2,500 per month na siya. Pero not only ramp modeling, may ara na sa singing, acting.
Okay, so
And
yung
also-
2005, meaning may specific kang let's say for ramp modeling alone.
May
So
ara
you'll
na
be
sa-
doing only ramp modeling.
Yes, within a week ramp modeling, 2 weeks ramp modeling. So daw package siya.
Okay. For a month, for 1 month with your 2005, you will be learning ramp modeling.
Personality development,
Okay.
singing, dancing, and acting.
Meaning, in just 1 month, ato ng mga televiewers, you would see your kids nga the different one na, 'di ba? Okay, baby, do you have something to say to us?
Si baby.
You want
You
also-
want to join?
You want to join? Why?
I just love it.
You love it. Okay.
She loves it.
Okay. Let's
Yes.
try to ask Tita Ems. Tita Ems, when you were a kid, you were young, no? You were young as 8 years old. You're already dreaming, or is it only
I
the
was-
mother's dream?
At 8 years old, believe it or not, grade 2, I'm already watching Miss Universe and answering the questions.
Oh.
Yes, it's still fresh
Mhm.
in my mind that I do
Wow.
that.
Okay.
It means
so,
she's really
yeah.
brilliant.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
that's the first
she
step.
watched a lot.
First
She
sign.
watched a lot of contests. He would
Mm-hmm.
tell me, "Mommy, I really wanted to become the Miss Universe someday."
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Oh, she's practicing. Okay, so let's ask. During talent, for every contest or every pageant, do you have the same talent?
I have the same brand, meaning
Mhm.
pareho lang talent ko, but lain nga concept every time.
What's your talent?
I declaim with,
Okay.
but
Hello.
there's a twist. It's kind of stand-up comedy, but declamation.
Yeah, because in declamation, you can incorporate a lot.
A
You can
lot.
sing there, you can dance, you
Yes.
can use cast, you can...
everything, yeah.
Yeah, everything.
Mhm.
So, can we have a sample, partner? Of course. You know,
Sige, M, sample.
yeah. What the talent that made Miss Victoria okay, the dinagyang 2014 queen. What's the talent? Sige. Ma-recall mo kung nag-ano ka.
I did a declamation, but I'm
Mhm.
looking for a line.
Yeah.
Today the claim.
Okay. The last part, the
Okay,
ending
last
part.
Okay.
diba? Bangga. I forgot. Tandaan mo lang, tita. That was a line on my like conclusion of the whole piece. But I was talking about current events. So that's why people could relate.
Yeah.
They were listening. They were not only entertained. They were knowledge was added to them.
They were informed.
They were informed.
And they were entertained.
And
Also,
they
whole
also
package.
reminisce.
Yeah, okay.
Okay lang kung bago na. In my dreams, I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart, there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me. That's it.
Wow, yeah. Can you stand and strike a pose with Tita Ems? Let us see for our audience partner,
sige,
di ba?
for the
Sige
last
be.
time.
Sige be.
Nakakapuli na
Kung
kita.
paano mag-yes before we stop, before
Okay.
we end our show. Sige be. Why would it be like that always?
Para mas exaggerate ang mga form.
Okay. Para ma-emphasize ang
To emphasize your form,
curves, ang
your
mga curves, yeah. So meaning, may angle.
May angle,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Kung beauty queen,
Thank
kada
you.
ka-game ka lang gidyan,
Yes,
no?
dapat.
Look at you. Bisan do ano na lang, ginapamangkot ko, do
Gani.
ginapahimo ko. You sing, you nag-part of your declamation, di ba? Once again, of course, thank you so much,
Mom,
Miss
Mom,
Ems.
I am happy because I am beside.
The Miss Dinagyang. Wow!
That is since I was young, I want to be somebody
Sitting beside?
Yeah.
Wow!
Me, I'm very happy because I'm sitting with the future Miss Universe.
Wow.
Ay,
it's
tita,
good.
before we end, could I
yes.
say something?
Sure,
Applaud
sure.
something.
Okay.
I would want to invite you guys, if you please join us. We are inviting you to join the first ever Grand COA Ball. This would be something that is part of history since Coalition is the oldest political party in Southeast Asia. So if you're going to join, you will be part of history. For details, go to our Facebook page, CPU Coalition Party or Coalition Party. This would be a blast. We really have a lot of beautiful things in store for the theme. Yes.
Okay.
It's a ball.
All right.
Okay. So, once again, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank
Okay.
you.
So, partners, your parting
Yes.
words?
Salamat kid Miss Emily, okay? And then we are very glad, we're very happy that you're here. And then sa Ilonggo kuya, nagapasalamat kami sa tanan nga daga lantaw sa aton kag tanan nga mga stars sa Iloilo, tanan nga mga artists
Yeah.
invite namon. If
You'll
you
be seeing
want
some more.
Jeff Fernando.
if you want to be our guest, you can SMS us at 0919-201-7663. Yes, Angel?
All right, so thank you, Miss Emily. Okay, so all you gotta do is be real, be inspired, and be unique.
Yeah, pray a lot also.
Yes, be
Yeah.
prayerful.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, sa aton nga mga televiewers, once again, thank you, Gid, sa pag-upod ninyo sa amon. Kabay nga, ang mahal nga Diyos, no? Magpakamaayo sa aton tanan para nga sa sunod naman naton nga episode, damo naman kita nga ma-feature dire, maipakilala kay nagapati kami nga Ilonggo Kuya, the best ka na, trending ka pa. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Ilonggo kuya, the best ka na, trending ka pa ha. Ilonggo kuya, the best ka na, trending ka pa ha.
Lugar na pabugal ko, bisan di ka magkadto, the best ng Iloilo. Siyudad sang pagigugma, dira kami kilala, amigo kag amiga.
Swerte ang katahon, bukod ka na sa akon, ikaw akong lagawon. Matamis na yuhom, Ilonggo kag Ilongga, mapinalagaon. Ilonggo kuya, the best ka na, trending ka pa ha. Ilonggo kuya, the best ka na, trending ka pa ha.
Suguran ta sa molo, makasaysayan nga simbahan, diri mo ni makitaan.
Katedral
pa na halos 25 milyong Pilipino na ang may alta presyon at 15 milyon sa kanila ay hindi alam na meron na pala silang ganitong karamdaman. 2 sa bawat 5 Pilipino ang maaring meron na palang diabetes at lagi tayo nasa top 20 countries na may diabetes sa buong mundo. Hindi rin maikakaila na paraming tao na nagkakaroon ng cancer dito sa Pilipinas at ang cancer pa rin ang isa sa mga leading cause of death sa buong mundo. Ang mga halimbawang yan at sangkaterma pang sakit at karamdaman ang nagiging resulta ng unhealthy lifestyle ng mga tao. Paninigarilyo, labis na pag-inom, pagkain ng mga processed foods, kakulangan sa exercise, stress sa trabaho at iba pang mga gawaing hindi nakakatulong sa ating kalusugan. Ang mga produkto ng Sante International ay walang halong synthetic ingredients na maaring makaharm sa ating katawan. Natural na natural po at sinisiguro ng kumpanya na the best lang ang barley na makukuha nyo. Nasabi ko kanina ang salitang barley, pero alam nyo ba kung ano ang barley grass? Alam niyo ba na ang barley ay ang natatanging halaman sa mundo na nakapagbibigay ng sapat na nutrisyon para sa tao mula pagkapanganak hanggang tumanda ito? Ito'y base sa 13-year research ni Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, isang scientist, pharmacologist at inventor. Hindi basta-basta ang damo na ito. Kinikilala ng science na pinaka-nutritious ang barley sa lahat ng kinakaing halaman. Tinuturing itong total complete food. Ang barley grass ay kumpleto sa vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes plus chlorophyll, phytonutrients and phytochemicals na kailangan ng katawan para lumakas ang immune system at makaiwas sa mga dreaded disease katulad ng cancer. Ang barley grass din ay isa sa mga may pinakamataas na antioxidant sa lahat ng pagkain sa buong mundo at nakakatulong itong i-flush out ang mga harmful toxins sa ating katawan. Ang antioxidants ay mga substance na nagpoprotekta sa ating katawan mula sa mapanganib na free radicals. Ang free radicals ay natural na pinoproduce ng ating katawan tuwing tayo ay kumakain o na-expose sa usok at iba pang environmental hazards. Maaari itong magdulot ng heart disease, diabetes, cancer at iba pang sakit. Pero dahil sa antioxidant, protektado ka sa mga ganitong karamdaman. At hindi lang yan ang benefits ng barley grass. Pinapaganda nito ang health ng ating colon, binababa ang bad cholesterol levels, nakakagaang ng mga gastrointestinal at respiratory conditions, pinapaganda ang blood circulation, nakaka-minimize ito ng body odor, nagbabalanse ng acidity levels ng ating katawan, nakakababa ng blood sugar levels, nakakatulong sa digestion at nakakadelay ng aging process. Woo! Ang daming benefits ng barley, hindi po ba?
Na-diagnose po ako na meron akong prostate cancer. 3 sakit ang sakit ko. Diabetes, high blood, prostate cancer. 5 gamot ang iniinom ko. Ang payat-payat ko na noon, talagang alam ko mamamatay na ako. Kaya nawalan ka na ng gana sa pagkain, nawalan ka ng gana sa buhay. Parang bumigay na ako. Pero sabi ko nga, pag binigyan ka pa rin ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon Kristo na mabuhay, yun ang pinakamaganda. Biglang nag-umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, bigla ako nakilala itong Sante Barley. Ako'y umiinom na, nagsimula na uminom. Naramdaman ko, lumalakas na ako. Nawala na sakit mga tuhod ko, nakakapag-concert na uli ako. Ngayon, sumasayo pa ako, nagayayabon uli ako. Yayabonel.
Ito po mga ganitong mga produkto, maganda itong isasama as part of our regular diet. The reason being is it's very hard to maintain a balanced diet right now. Karaniwan sa mga tao na civilian, ang pagkakaunawa nila, ang iinumin nila gamot. Pero actually, hindi yan gamot. Isang klase yan ng pagkain na sobra ang sustansya. Like for example, barley. Yung sustansya nito is perfectly designed to work together. Kasi galing sila sa mga natural sources. Walang nilagay na anything na synthetic. Biniyayaan talaga tayo ng very powerful immune system. So yun yung panglaban natin sa sakit. Pero ang pinakamagandang paraan natin, supply natin ng katawan natin ng mga nutrients na kailangan natin na madali natin maaabot. No? So nakukuha yan sa pamagitan ng pag-take mo ng mga magagandang klaseng food supplement. Isang example na doon, itong barley. Itong barley, actually, pwedeng inumin ng kahit sinong tao. Okay? So, hindi mo kailangan magkasakit para uminom ng barley. Kasi ito ay part ng iyong magandang diet. It will assure you of a better health in the future.